In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your Brother MFC-J1012DW or 1010DW printer. So let's get started right away. This printer is able to take up to 150 pages. And to do so, you just have to stick your fingers over here. You see there's a small gap and pull the whole tray towards you. Like this, like a drawer. Let me show you again. Like that. We need to remove this top panel. To do so, you just need to grab it, and you see there's some small tabs here. There's another one on the other side, and it lifts this way. It has a hinge over here, so it stays attached, and you can just let it sit in this position. So this is where you load your paper. You see there's some green paper guides depending on the size of the paper you want. Over here I have a US letter size paper, but you can load up to legal size paper. If you're trying to load legal size, I don't know if you see over here it says LGL. And over here you have a small tab. You need to keep press on this tab and then pull this lower side like that. Pull it more until this tab goes where it says legal. In my case, I'm just, as I said, printing on US size paper, therefore I do not need this extension, so I just have to keep press this small tab and make this drawer shorter. Now you're going to push these green tabs on the sides. Just take your fingers here and you see there's a small release. Here, just need to pinch it and bring it to the extremities this way. Take your stack of paper, make sure it's aligned, and then you just need to glide it right in this way and let it sit. Finally, before putting it back, there's another green tab over here. You need to do the same exact thing. You're going to pinch it and you're going to bring it where the paper ends. This is simply to support the paper so it does not move around, and when the paper is taken by the printer, it does not come inside crooked. Okay, once you've done this, you're gonna place back this lid and you just have to glide the whole drawer back. This is it. So this is it. This is how you insert paper inside of your Brother MFC-J1012DW or 1010DW. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.